Namaste, beloved friends. Today we are going to work on our feet. Any kind of problem related to the feet, we will solve by doing these small practices. So let's start. So you can sit on the chair or you can sit on the floor, anything, any comfortable place you want to sit, you can just sit there. And we start with the tapping. So we start the tapping with the all the fingers are touching together and we tap the feet. Very effective exercise. Give a good tapping. All the toes, the side of ankle, the sole, working on our feet. Little bit up, muscles, calf muscle down, knee, kneecap. Just gentle tapping to activate all the sleeping energy, all the dormant energy. These all energy are inside us, all the power, all the healing energy is inside us. So now back, thigh. So good tapping. And this 20 or 30-minute exercise will give you so much healing. And this practice you do in the morning time or afternoon, you can practice, or evening, and just giving the good tapping back each part. One more time, from up to down, down to up, down to up, and up to down. Continue practice this 2-3 minutes of tapping. You will feel the changes, the activation of the all dormant energy. Both leg. Relax the leg, close the eyes and feel the energy, the activation of the healing energy. Just close the eyes for a few more seconds and feel your feet. Very good. Now open your eyes. Now we stretch the toes. Bring the one feet, the right feet, over the left knee and stretch the toe and relax. Stretch them and relax. Stretch the toes completely and relax. Stretch the toes and relax. You can practice these exercise by closing the eyes, so it will go more deeper and more healing will happen. So stretch and relax, stretch and relax, stretch and relax. Other leg, change. Stretch it and relax, stretch and relax, stretch and relax, stretch and relax, stretch completely and relax with the closed eyes. Very effective exercise, easy but effective. Now change. Next practice we will start rotating the angle. You catch hold of your calf muscle and start rotating the ankles. First clockwise direction, and you can close your eyes and inhale, exhale. Inhale for the half circle and exhale for the half circle. Whenever you do this practice, the movement practice, you breathe half circle in and half circle out. So that's synchronizing the breathing with the movement, and when you close your eyes, it will go more deeper. Now change, anti-clockwise, full rotation of your ankle. Effective exercises. Inhale deeply and exhale completely. Now change, other leg, the left leg. Same practice, clockwise rotation of the ankle joints. Very effective practice. Close your eyes. Now change, other direction. And breathing with the closed eyes, inhale and exhale. Don't forget this. This is amazing when you inhale and exhale and move the toes and the ankle. Relax, put the legs on the ground. Normal breathing, eyes closed, spine straight, and just feel the ground, the touch of the ground. Now putting the hand on the knees, inhale and lift the leg up and down. Inhale, lift the leg up and down. Close the eyes and inhale up and down. Inhale up, toes straight up and down. Inhale up and down. Inhale up and down. Inhale up. Continue this movement and the breathing. Full focus on your knees, calf muscle, ankle. Continue. Lifting up and down. Inhale up and down. Inhale up and down. Inhale up and down. Inhale up and down. Relax both feet on the ground. Close the eyes and feel your feet. Full focus on your lower feet. You can feel any kind of sensation here. Always remain your eyes closed. Next practice, we will lift our right leg up slowly and then down, catching hold of your calf muscle, the shin bone. Inhale up and down. Inhale up and down. Inhale up and down with the eyes closed and gentle smile on the face. Breathing, deep breathing, eyes closed, focusing on your feet, on your leg. This work on our lower parts, thigh muscle. Inhale up and down. Inhale up and down. Inhale up, movement and down. Now change the leg. Same practice but eyes closed. Inhale up and release down. Inhale up and down. Inhale up. Inhale fully up and down. Continue the practice with open eyes. Don't open your eyes. With closed eyes, with gentle smile on the face and breathing and the movement. Remember always. Last round, in, up and down. Relax, eyes closed. Palms on your knees and feel the activation of the healing energy in your legs, in your feet. Effective exercises. Gently open your eyes. Next practice we will do, put your right leg over the left leg. Now inhale up, movement and down. Inhale slowly, don't press here, just gentle movement down. Inhale up and down. Inhale, knee up and down. Don't forcefully press it, just gentle movement. We are not doing the hardcore exercise here, just gentle movement. so that the energy, the healing energy will come and heal us, which is always inside of us. That's why we are closing our eyes. We are doing the mantra, not mantra. The mantra is our breathing. This is our mantra. The in breath and the out breath is the mantra. We don't need any other kind of mantra. So inhale up and exhale down. Inhale up and down. Inhale up and down. Inhale up and down. Inhale up and down. Inhale up. Relax. Change the leg. Close your eyes. Breathing. Inhale up and down. Remember always with closed eyes, focusing on the parts which we are working. Always focus on your body part. It will heal automatically. You don't need to go to any doctor. All the healing energy, all the medicine is inside us. Our body is the best medicine. It cures every kind of disease, bacteria, viruses. But when we get disconnect from this body, we get the trouble, we get the all kind of problems. So always connect with your body, always connect. Inhale up movement and down, inhale up and down. Relax your leg, hands on your knees. Normal breathing. Bring your awareness in, hold the legs, feel the toes, the ankle, the calf muscle, the knees, thighs. Gently open the eyes. Next practice we will do. Inhale, lift the heel up and down. The toes are on the ground. You are just lifting up the heel and then down. Lifting up the heel up and down. Breathing in and out. Breathing in and out. You can come into the edge of your chair or back, whatever you like. Try to make your spine straight and eyes closed with the breathing in, up and down. 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 Continue this movement. These are small practices you can practice in your home, inside the room. You don't need to go anywhere. You don't need any yoga mat. You can use your chair or edge of your bed where you can sit comfortably. Continue this practice. Inhale up and exhale down. Inhale up and down. Relax, eyes closed. Focus on your toes. Focus on your toes. The feet are our roots. So if roots is not strong, the tree, the upward body will not strong. So we have to work on our roots so that they can get more power, more strong roots. Gently open the eyes. Now place your hand on the knees, open the legs and then close. Inhale, open the legs and close. Inhale, open. Also the edge of your feet come into the ground and then exhale. Inhale, open and exhale. For that you have to sit edge of your chair. If you go little bit back, then it will not happen. So come little bit forward in your chair. Inhale, open, and exhale, close. Inhale, open the legs and close. Inhale, open the legs and close. Breathing with the eyes closed, movement, very effective and healing practices working on our whole feet. Don't forget the breathing and the movement. Always try to close your eyes. It will make you more quiet and calm. Also, it will give you more energy. So open and close, open and close, open and close, open. Last round, close. Relax, close your eyes, and again focus on your both feet, all the parts of the feet, all the legs, both the legs, and just be aware of the toes, the ankle, the sole, the calf muscle, the kneecap, back of the knee, thigh muscle, the pelvic floor, and just be there for a few more seconds. Eyes closed always. Now next practice we will do, so you can, if you can hold your chair like this and place the right foot over the left foot and just lifting up and down, lifting up and down. If you don't have this handle, you can catch hold down to your chair and inhale up and down, inhale up, lifting up and down. With the closed eyes, don't open your eyes. Inhale up and down, inhale up and down, inhale up and down, inhale up and down. Close eyes, inhale up and down, fully in and down, fully in and out, in and out. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Now change the leg, the left foot over the right foot. Inhale up and down, inhale up with a gentle smile on the face, because when you smile, the more energy, the positive energy will spread in your body, inside and outside. So always try to make a smile, a gentle smile on your face. When you breathe in, smile, breathe out, smile. Inhale, smile and down, inhale, smile and down, inhale, smile and down. Relax, relax the feet, eyes closed with a gentle smile, normal breathing. Again bring your focus on your both legs and relax both the legs. Last practice we will do, so we will make the tense of both the feet both the legs. We will tense them and release them. This is the practice. After that, this practice, if you like to sit silently or just lying down, whatever you like, but for the 5 to 10 minutes, you just be quiet, just be there. You can sit on the chair like straight spine, or you can lie down on the floor. After this practice, I will close this session so you can relax yourself. So lift the both leg and tense them, tense. Join both the knees and relax. One more time, tense all the legs, the calf muscles, the ankle, and relax. Last time, inhale up and tense the thighs, everything tense and relax. Relax fully. You can lie down on the ground, or you can just be sitting here with closed eyes, fully closed. The crows are making different kind of sound around me, so don't get bothered, don't get disturbed by this. You did a amazing practice, the healing practice. You heal yourself. You can be there or lie down or whatever you like. And if you want to open your eyes, you can open. And last, just a little information, just like I will tell you something that you can practice anytime to heal your legs and all the roots, to make them strong. If there is any problem in the legs, you can cure them by just pressing the ring finger and the middle finger, these two fingers, the ring finger and the middle finger. You just press from down to up. So these two fingers represent our leg. These are our legs. So just gently press whenever you are sitting, watching television, watching anything, sitting in the car, going in the shopping mall, or whenever you like. You just press them like this with the other thumb, gently pressing them from root to up. This from up, both. This work on our feet, massaging them, because our whole body is connected. So pressing one point, relieving, releasing, curing other point. Same back side you can do practice, and same with the other hand, the ring finger and the middle finger. So press them gently. Then you can heal yourself. So these were all the practices for our roots, for our legs, and you start practicing every day, and within one practice you will feel the changes. And if you continue this for 1 week or 2 weeks, you will feel more amazed. You will heal. You will feel your roots are more strong. You feel like you are more grounded and you are supported by the mother nature. So these hope you like this video, hope you can practice with me. And if you have any question, any queries, you can always write me in the WhatsApp or in the email. So thank you. Be happy and be loving, and always spread the love and the joy in this universe. Love you. Bye bye.